Everyone says they want to be wealthy someday. Everyone says they want to save money, but someday is not a date, and save money is not a plan. The factual bridge between wishing for money and actually having it is a structured system called S.M.A.R.T goals. So what does S.M.A.R.T stand for? It's an acronym used by financial planners for creating objectives that are factually defined and achievable. It stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This system forces you to move from vague ideas to concrete actions. Think of a financial goal like launching a rocket. You need precise coordinates, not just launch it towards space. How does it work? Let's break down each component. First, specific. Your goal can't be save for a car. It must be factual. Save $4,000 for a down payment on a used sedan. Second, measurable. You need a way to track progress. If the goal is $4,000, the measurable component is the running total in your dedicated savings account. Third, achievable. The goal must be realistic, based on your current income. If you earn $500 a month, saving $4,000 next month is factually impossible. Instead, breaking it into $250 per month for 16 months makes it achievable. Fourth, relevant. The goal must matter to you. Saving for a distant retirement might not feel relevant right now, but saving for college or a new gaming PC is. Fifth, time-bound. This is the most critical part. You must set a factual deadline. Save $4,000 by December 31st, 2026. Let's look at a factual example relevant to a young adult. The non-S.M.A.R.T goal is, I want to save for a trip next year. The S.M.A.R.T goal is, I will save specific such on $1,500 for a trip to Japan. I will measure my progress every payday in my travel fund. This is achievable because I can factually put aside $125 a month from my part-time job. This is relevant because I love travel. I will have the full amount saved by time-bound, October 1st next year. This process instantly gives you a factual roadmap and a monthly savings target. If you miss the target, you know immediately and can adjust. The danger of ignoring the S.M.A.R.T system is that you become a financial drifter. You save sporadically, you get discouraged when you don't hit an arbitrary goal, and you usually end up spending the money because the goal wasn't specific enough to feel serious. The benefit is factual control. The S.M.A.R.T framework transforms saving from a vague chore into a series of achievable, trackable missions, giving you the immediate psychological win of hitting micro goals. The single most actionable takeaway for you today is this. Take one vague financial goal you have, like buy a new computer, and rewrite it right now using the S.M.A.R.T framework. Give it a factual number and a specific date. Finally, remember this is not financial advice, only education. The S.M.A.R.T system is a universally accepted planning principle. You must use factual numbers from your own income and expenses to ensure your goals are truly achievable and relevant to your life. Now stop dreaming about money and start defining it.